The water effect for this attraction, the way this works is that we have large tanks up behind the rockwork. They hold 265,000 liters of water. They are filled prior to the tram coming into the attraction. They are filled. They're verified to be at the correct height. The gates are verified as everything is verified as sealed and shut and ready for the show. The entire contents of these tanks release and come cascading down these ravines in about a 5 to 10 second time frame. It is quite spectacular.
For this attraction, it took us about 15 months to bring the equipment in, bolting it together, setting up, verifying all the different safety elements.
A lot of what we do requires special knowledge of whether it's fire or electricity or projection for imagery. We have to keep up on all the latest technology on that, and we bring in the necessary consultants. The rich special effects content of the American movies are ideal to convey in a park like this.